Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today I'm going to try to do a recreation of a nail that I did for the One Nail Art Challenge on Instagram. I was asked on my community page to please redo that, try to recreate it. It's going to have to be different colors because, well, it's a decal, you'll see. I'll put the image on the screen as well as I do have the nail here. On this one I used Modelones 80 degrees Fahrenheit along with their Super Platinum No. 2 gel and just a Moyra nail art sticker, and I'm going to do that today with different colors. So I hope you'll stick with me and let's see if I can recreate it using Modelones Endless Purple. I think we'll go with a decal that I still have in the pack. These are Moyra nail art stickers. They're water decals. I used one out of here. I guess this is collection 1. This was a gift from Baby Girl Nails. So I'm just going to try to recreate that. I've already taken off the little film on top, I think. Nope, I haven't. I'll do that as I cut it out. And all I did was cut it out. I want to save all these for something else. You could use it on many nails if you wanted to. It doesn't matter, it's art. So you've got to take off that film. Most water decals has a film. Toss that away. I took mine down. At first I thought the orange was going to blend in with the orange in the background. It didn't. I don't know if it will this time. These have white backings on them. So I'm just going to roughly take it down. You'll see in a minute. I'm just getting rid of the white on the outside. And I'm trying not to make it a perfect square. I'll help with that in a minute. Just toss all those scraps away. If the color matches, I might leave it more. If it doesn't, I'm going to take it off. Then I'm just going to get out my water bottle. These ones take a little longer to soak. I'll put it on here. Let that get a good soaking. These are regular nail decals. They're not stickers. Oh, and I forgot in the last video that the glitter gel that I used over this actually glows in the dark. I didn't realize that. So I'll put a picture up at the end of the video or in the video here to show you. And this still comes off. I got a little glitter on here. Still comes off the same way. This is already top coated just because of what I'm going to do. Place it wherever you would like it on your nail. Since it's top coated, it's wet, so let me dry that off. This is how you would do it over a top coated nail. You just take a paper towel and press it until it's dry. You don't want any moisture in there. If it slips and you don't like how it slipped and slid around, you can re-wet it and take it off. And maybe that's what I will do. So I assume these ones you can. You know what? Actually, I'm kind of liking the organic nature of that. That way it's not 100% square. So let me get all the water off. That's very important if you're going to be wearing it. You want no moisture. Of course, there will be some air bubbles possibly at the sides. You can press them down. We don't need this anymore. So for this, what I did was, the orange wasn't matching the back, like it just doesn't look quite right here, right? So let's see what else I got. I got out my acetone. Just a bottle of 100% acetone. Oops, I've got a lid on it. Don't even remember why I put that nozzle on there. I got out a very stiff, this is actually an eyebrow brush, I guess. Dipped it in the acetone And I just ate away at the decal until it looked kind of organic in nature to me. You don't want any straight lines. And you can wipe it up with a lint-free wipe, paper towel, whatever. You don't want it to look like it's been eaten up either. The orange didn't match the other one at all, so I went over and got rid of all of it. This white will come up down here, see, just wipe it off. The purple's kind of matching. So I just don't like that much white on there, so I'm just gonna take it down. I could have just cut all that off, but I wasn't sure. I'm never really sure till I get going. Because I top coated in, the gel should be fine underneath. I could leave a little bit of that purple there, but I don't like that much of a color change in my looks. And just keep going at it. I might have to wipe it off with a paper towel. Sorry, this is on a stand, it's harder. A lint-free wipe to wipe off this residue of all that white, because it's just that paper. Just used a little bit of alcohol. I don't want to take away from the decal any more than I need to. Just trying to remove the glue that is stuck in there. I guess it's glue. It feels like glue. I don't know what it is. This might even been a better method if I had this with acetone on it to remove it to begin with. I'm trying to make it look like, kind of like you ripped up the paper. Between the acetone and the alcohol, I'm dapping it off on a sponge now because I'm getting close to where I want it. Just getting rid of any excess of the decal that I don't want. I'm totally fussing with it. It probably didn't even need that much cleaning up because of what I do next. Okay, before I get going too far, first I'm going to take just a little bit of the Endless Purple just to kind of blend the edges in again, and any leftover color that I may not have gotten taken care of. You can even put a little over the white if you wanted to, see. That's what I did last time. I put a little bit over. Kind of get the effect of the original decal back in there. Kind of like it's bursting out of the nail, I guess you could say. I don't know. I just wish they had a little bit more room on the sides to not have it completely straight. I'm going to give this a cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. Now, originally I applied number 2 Super Platinum. Now I'm going to apply number 1 Super Platinum. And to let you know, they are for sale again. Now they come in these black containers. And they don't leak at all in shipping. I've pulled it fresh out of the nail lamp. And this is their hollow. And then I just took some of this and made it prettier. As much or as little as you want, it doesn't matter. Take a look around to see if you want any more beautiful chunkies, small, medium, or big in there. another big one. Just feel like it. There we go, nice big one. I think I've only got 2, so I want to get 3 nice big ones. Here's another nice big one. Since this is a clear base gel, it will cure very easily. Just place your glitters where you would like them. Give this a full cure. That's what it looks like out of the nail lamp. Of course, it'll be tacky. You want to top coat it in and then cure it, and you're done. That's all you have to do. I know it's a little bit different look than the last one, but I've never been able to recreate 2 of the same looks ever. Oh my. Give this a cure, top coat it, and I'll put a picture of it at the end because right now to me it isn't even showing up purple. You just don't know how much it touches my heart to see how many views my videos are getting. It really, truly, I'm so thankful for it. I never thought I would get 10 views on a video, much less 100 on average. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for being here with me today. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.